Alright, hopefully this will focus, but here we have a Heil air conditioner that's currently running. As you can see right there, it says Heil. The serial number is E134708107, which means that this is a 2013 Heil unit. The model number is N4H342AF200. Let's see if it actually has a... Well, this means that it's a 2013 Heil. So I think I said earlier. Nothing really too much to discuss about this one. It's just currently running. So yeah, here we have a Heil unit from a 2013 Heil air conditioning unit that's currently running. Over. Let's see if I can get this focused. But yeah, anyways, here we have a 2013 Heil air conditioning unit that's currently running. Over and out.